Hi guys, I am here in a bathroom that we recently did, and I kind of wanted to take you through the design process of choosing the finishes and where to start. So the first thing is choose your tile, because that's going to be your jumping off point, give you the inspiration, the look, and the colors. So we went with this porcelain tile that looks a lot like marble. It's absolutely gorgeous, and what I love is it's got some really warm veining in it. From there, then we went with the Vanity, and it's in this really warm oak wood, which matches just perfectly to the tile in the look, the colors, and the style as well. And then the next thing is in your finishes in hardware and lighting. Now, we did something crazy. We mixed metals, and you can totally mix metals. So we did the black, which really grounds a space, but we also added gold. So we did gold in the mirrors, and we did gold in the light fixtures, and together, I think the whole thing looks absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this bathroom tour. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and make sure to hop on over to karladreherdesign.com and take my Find Your Style quiz. See you next time.